Hey YouTube, how we doing? Okay, so I went out and got another cool hand blade. Some of you may remember some of the difficulties we had trying to track down info on, this company before. If not, it's okay. We'll get into it in a moment. There's a huge reason we're bringing this one to the channel, and I guarantee you that intro is going to give it away. So stay tuned. Right after we roll that intro, we're going to show you this wonderful blade. Okay guys, as you saw by that intro, and thank you so much for staying with me, we're going to take a look at a cool hand Tonto 4.25 inches Tonto Damascus folder. Now, big reason I'm bringing this to the channel is I have always been fascinated by, enthralled by, just gripped by Damascus blades. The craftsmanship, the intricate art it takes to pull those off, and just the work it does for a Damascus blade, you got me. So I was trolling Amazon for Damascus folders and found one I thought was kind of cool. And there we go. First of all, look at that work on that blade. Okay, I gotta tell you, I can run my finger up this way and I can feel the layers of steel in there. Now, I don't know if that's going to show up too well there, but there's 67 layers of steel in this little blade. So, let's get into it. It's got an overall length of 7 3/4 inches. Closed, it's 4 1/4 inches. And the blade is 3 1/4 inches. It's got a weight, seriously, it's kind of minor, of about 3.1 ounces. Now, the blade steel, and I really had to look this one up because I've never had a steel like this before. It's V like Victor, G like Golf 10. And like I said, there's 67 layers in there. Now, VG10 is Japanese for V like Victor. G is the gold, and it stands for quality 10. It's a stainless steel with a very, very high carbon count. It's really commonly used in Japanese kitchen cutlery. So, okay, that's great. And I will tell you, and I'm sorry I didn't bring paper or whatever so I can cut it. It's very sharp right out of the box. I mean, it's seriously very sharp. Now, the one thing that made me giggle was the scales here, and they had to specify it like this. It's CNC machined Western style and textured G10. So I'm like, what is Western about having little craters? I didn't care about this so much as I cared about this, and that steel is just freaking beautiful. I mean, I hate to say it this way, but like the artwork it takes for a bladesmith to do stuff like this, just wow. Now, as you saw, it has dual thumb studs. There's not a flipper opening. It's not an auto assist opening. It is just bring her open. As you saw, it has a liner lock, and it has a one position pocket clip tip up. Now, as I said before in a previous video, and if I remember, I'm going to try to put a link somewhere to it or just something. With Cool Hand, I cannot find, like, their web store anywhere. All I can ever find on Cool Hand is secondary sellers, like Amazon or eBay or other companies online. So I can't give you a really good feel about something here, but this costs $45.99 over on Amazon. It doesn't have any ratings whatsoever. I bought it because most Damascus steel that I've seen people do and produce, it's expensive. I thought this was very much in an affordable range that I would want to spend for a folder with Damascus. And I'm still trying to I really just don't know if you can see. There are multiple layers that you can see going right through here. But you know what, guys? That is my very quick look at it. I mean, it's beautiful. I got it just mainly for the artwork of having a Damascus blade. And this thing is just, to me, it's kind of breathtaking. But there we go. I'd like to know what you think down below, like usual, please. Leave your questions, comments, hatred, whatever. Just leave it down there. You know, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day with me. You're going to be seeing a company logo popping up right over here. Click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you subscribe, please click on that little bell icon that is right next to there. That is going to inform you every time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, we're on our quest for our 300th subscriber. One of these videos over here is going to be the giveaway that we're going to send out once we reach that mark. So you really might want to check it out. But there we go, guys. This is my really quick look at a cool hand 4.25-inch Tonto Damascus folder. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.